What credit score is needed to buy a house? Even financially literate individuals can struggle with understanding credit scores. A strong credit score is vital in securing a mortgage as it demonstrates your ability to make timely loan payments. This is why many lenders have minimum credit score requirements for loan approval. Although each lender has their own standards, knowing your credit score range and how it affects your application is crucial. To obtain a loan for buying a house, lenders typically require a minimum credit score of 680 for conventional loans, but it is still possible to get a loan with a score of 500 or less. Lenders determine eligibility based on the median score from all three credit rating agencies for individual borrowers and the lowest score across all clients for multiple borrowers. Some companies may use the median score of all borrowers or average them. A lower credit score can result in higher mortgage rates and insurance. Call us at 800-605-3128 and let Mortgage Dove be the wings that help you fly home.